Vulgaris is the Latin for what? All this while you're at school, right? If you want to deal with the Latin, dodge the Latin, you skank it out, and you never deal with the Latin. Here we go. Portmore's the Vulgaris is the Latin for what? Sponsored by the People's National Party. The speaker is Dr. Paul Robertson, General Secretary. That's a People's National Party sponsored broadcast tomorrow at 3 in the afternoon on RJR.
This is a message from the Director of Elections. Island-wide enumeration is on. If you're a Jamaican 18 years and over, or a Commonwealth citizen resident in Jamaica for over 1 year, you can be enumerated. No individual qualified for enumeration should be refused because of physical handicap, particularly in respect of deafness and blindness. Look out for the enumeration team. Register to vote. It's your right. We're taking care elections are fair.
Disco Inferno, in association with Biasa Airlines and Smyrna, presents many moves of summer fashion experience, featuring Miss Jamaica World 21, Miss South America, Miss Venezuela World 83.
The Nitrogen Tonic Wine does you a power of blood. It's a great tonic to take a program of exercise balance.
Your clothes spots are a blotch, grease and grime unsightly, and if they remain, your good clothes are not so good anymore. Well, before that happens, reach for Blvd bleach. Blvd bleach gets in deep down, removes those spots and grease and grime, and soon you'll see how good-looking your good clothes look when washed with Blvd bleach. Leave my whole wash smelling so clean, so sweet. That's Blvd bleach, the one bleach to use.
Next door into spacious modern quarters for your comfort and ours. Max Pharmacy, the pioneer druggist on Halfway Tree Road, is now at 41C, that's between Beechwood and Central Roads. Why refill your prescriptions with the usual friendliness and speed to respond